Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a nickname for your Xfinity account. Open the website xfinity.com, then click on Sign In. First, enter your email, mobile, or username. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right side of the page. Click on the profile icon. On the side menu, you will see an option for Account and Identity. Click on Account and Identity. On this page, you will see a section for Account Details. Under Account Details is an option for Create Nickname. Click on Create Nickname. On the pop-up window, enter the nickname you wish to use. You could try Home or Beach House as an example. After entering, click on Save Nickname. That's how you create a nickname for your Xfinity account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.